you, Marius, I don't feel any pain. A little fall of rain can hardly hurt me now. You're here, that's all I need to know. And you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close. And rain will make the flowers grow.
You live on dear above. If I could close your wounds with words of love.
Just hold me now and let it be. Shelter me, comfort me. So don't you fret, Miss Marius, you won't feel any pain. A little fall of rain can hardly hurt you now.
I'm here.
That's all I need to know. And you
I'm
will
stay
keep
with
me
you
safe.
until you are
You
safe.
will keep me close. And rain
And rain
makes the flowers
will make the flowers